You just met someone. How do you make a great first impression? I'm going to teach you how to do it in 7 seconds. It's called the first impressions form. I've been fortunate enough to meet some pretty amazing people in my life, and what I've noticed is when they walk into a room, they immediately smile. They keep their body open and they make the other person feel welcome. They have a very warm and friendly demeanor, and I want to help you become that person because you're awesome and you deserve awesome things to happen to you. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with the first impressions form, and then I'm going to give you 3 bonus tips at the end of the video that will help you level up your social skills. So let's get started. 1 second, smile. I know it sounds simple, but smiling makes you more approachable. It shows that you're friendly and it's contagious. The other person will likely feel more comfortable around you if you have a smile on your face. 2 seconds, keep your body open. This is a very important one. Don't cross your arms or legs or put your hands in your pockets. Keep your body language open and inviting. This will make the other person feel more at ease and more likely to engage with you. 3 seconds, make eye contact. Look into the other person's eyes and smile. This is a great way to show that you're interested in them and to establish a connection. It also helps to read their body language and facial expressions to get a sense of how they're feeling. 4 seconds, extend your hand for a handshake. If appropriate, this is a sign of confidence, and it's a good way to break the ice. If the other person doesn't offer to shake your hand, don't be pushy. Just respect their personal space and wait for them to make the first move. 5 seconds, ask a question. This is an important one. People love to talk about themselves. So ask the other person some questions about their interests, hobbies, or current events. This will show that you're interested in them and will help to keep the conversation going. 6 seconds, actively listen. When the other person is talking, give them your full attention. Make sure to actually listen to what they're saying and respond accordingly. This will make them feel appreciated and respected. 7 seconds, follow up with a comment. After the other person finishes talking, take a moment to think about what they said. Then follow up with a comment or question. This will show that you were listening and that you're still engaged in the conversation. And there you have it. In just 7 seconds, you can make a great first impression. But remember, it's not just about what you say. It's also about how you say it. Use these tips to help you become a more confident and charismatic person, and I promise you'll see a difference in how people respond to you. Now, I want to give you 3 bonus tips that will help you level up your social skills. Number 1, work on your body language. This is a very important one. Make sure to maintain open and inviting body language. Don't cross your arms or legs or put your hands in your pockets. No. 2, practice active listening. This is a skill that takes time and effort to develop, but it's well worth it. People will appreciate you for it. And number 3, be genuine and authentic. People can tell when you're being fake. So be yourself and let your personality shine through. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you're ready to put them into practice and make some new friends, then go out there and give it a shot. You never know who you might meet.